No, because
I'm the one that's supposed to
play.
You just cheated.
I don't cheat.
Eh?
I don't
just
cheat.
cheated.
Call the thing. Guy for money.
You just cheated.
So you have the heart to give this my daughter 10 shots of cane because he failed your test. Eh? I'm asking you, teacher Chudo. Eh?
Mommy Fama, I did not flog your daughter because she failed.
Why will you flog her at all? Why will you even flog this girl? Are you her father? Are you the one that gave birth to this girl? Are you the one? Look, are you the one that impregnated me for this girl? Are you the one I'm asking you? Eh? Why must you flog my daughter?
Calm down, let me explain to you what's happened.
You said I should calm down. You are telling me to calm down. After flogging my daughter, you are telling me to calm down. Eh? Did you calm down when you are flogging this girl? When you were beating her, did you calm down at all? Teacher Chudo, Teacher Mbakwe, did you calm down when you were flogging this girl? Look at my daughter's body.
Mommy from Mabiko, calm down.
Hey, whoa! I can't cast no again. It's not again. What are you saying? I'm listening. What are you saying? Calm down for what? Eh? This man is a wicked man because he don't know what it takes to be a child. He doesn't know what it takes to be a child. That's why he flogged my daughter like this. Eh? Because he's childless. That's why you can flog my daughter like this. Eh? Look at. I didn't even have even one. You wouldn't have done a thing like this. Eh? Why? Why should he beat my daughter in this manner? Look at my daughter. Look at. Calm down for what? What am I coming down for? What am I coming down for? Eh? Have you been to an antenatal? Have you ever missed your period? I'm asking you. Have you ever missed your period? I'm asking you. You're telling me here to calm down. Calm down for what? What am I coming down for? Calm down. Your husband will say, calm down. You will say, calm down. For what? After killing my... Look at, just look at my daughter. Just look at my... Just look at my daughter. Eh? After killing her, you're telling me to calm down. Teacher Chud, I'm talking to you.
Mommy Fama, leave this place!
Leave what? Leave what? This is warning. First and last warning. The next time you touch my daughter, the next time you touch my daughter, I will report to Abara. I will report you to Abara. I will even curse your family. I will curse your family. You and your family will be cursed. I will curse all of you. Next time touch my daughter, just touch her. I will show you the... Shut, let's go.
It is well. Oh?
God. Did you hear what that woman said?
My love, I heard her. And God heard her too. We will have our own children. We will have our own child. God has not forgotten us. Oh? Get up, let's go. The sun is too much. Let's go inside. Should I bring your food?
I don't want to eat.
You usually don't miss breakfast.
I said I don't want to eat.
You're back. Let me help you.
If I have, tell me so I can apologize. I don't like the way you're treating me. You're hurting me with this attitude of yours.
You've not offended me.
I have not offended you. And why are you treating me the way you're treating me? You're moving about as if you're very unhappy with me.
Yes. No man in my condition will be happy. Did you hear what that woman said that day? You heard her.
I heard her, and I also told you that everything will be fine. God will give us our own children in His time. Everything will be all right.
That is what you always say. Eh? You see, please, please. I want to sleep. Okay?
Dikeh.
I said I want to sleep. Please.
Is everything all right?
Mama, everything is not all right. Everything is not all right.
What happened? I'm your mother. Does it have to do with Dikeh, your husband? What is the problem?
Am I a woman?
How do you mean?
Can I bear children? Am I fertile?
Why are you asking this question?
Because my husband is strong and well able. He has done everything. Why can't I bear children for him?
At the appropriate time. All you need to do is be happy so that your conception would be easy. You have nothing to worry about.
Mama, the same has been said about my husband. I am fertile. He is fertile. What is happening? Why can't we have children? Are we on the path of misfortune?
No. Come. I have some herbs that you take. This is special. Drink this. It is very special. Finish it. That's because it is very potent. Just drink it. One gulp, full whim. Go on. You want children, don't you? Children. Should I polish this one for you? My husband, should I?
If you don't want to polish it, go and keep it.
What have I done again, eh? Kidi femme. Kidu di unsubu bin ha because give me.
Since that woman came to our house and called us barren, my husband has not remained the same. I am telling you.
Chioma, let me ask. Your mother has helped so many people in this kind of case. Have you seen her concerning this?
In Ajuzi, I have.
And what did she say?
She said I'm fertile and that our own child will come in no time.
Do you believe her?
No, Onny. I don't know what to believe anymore.
Oh, let me not act smarter than your mother now.
How do you mean?
Chioma. A woman in this your condition needs to take a vital decision to save her faith and that of her husband.
What vital decision are you talking about?
Ne, you will not understand now.
Make me understand.
I will advise you to go home. Follow your husband with wisdom. With time, he will forget about what the woman said. Please. It's getting late. You don't need to worry about it.
I'm not worried.
The child will come in no time.
I'm not worried. It's just my husband's attitude.
So that's how to make the things. Enough crayfish and onion.
Do you think Dikeh will change? He will. I'm so worried. I have never been this worried my entire life. Chim, I understand how you feel. But come to think of it, in all honesty, why would Dikeh transfer the aggression on you? He should have lashed back at that stupid woman.
You and I know that Dikeh
Why is he giving you attitude?
You and I know Dikeh is not like that. He's not that kind of person.
He's not a troublemaker. But he keeps upsetting you, hurting you. Chioma, if Dikeh really loves you, he should not be giving you attitude because of what a woman said. A woman like you. I love
my husband. I really love him and I fear that I might lose him.
You will not lose him if you use your head.
Use my head? How?
When my husband married me, this Chukwuka, my husband, when he first married me, he started messing around with some women. And I visited a tibia.
Chimu! You use charm on him.
It is not called charm. It is called being strong. Keeping a man.
I can't do that one at all. Man, Charlie. Cha-cha. I can't.
Hey. There are a lot of things you'll soon learn about marriage.
This one I will not learn. I have heard stories of how Dibias turned women into their concubines, sleeping with them left, right and center, all because they went to them to help them tie their husbands down. I will not do it. I will not be a part of it.
Because they don't know their onions very well. Marriage is not as pleasant as it seems. Chioma, marriage can be made. It can be managed. It can be scattered. Marriage can be fake. But in the end, it is still marriage. The picture you show to the people outside is what they will believe and live with. Bia Manaricha.
So open your eyes. Now come on, Monica. Okay, come do it. Come, let me see you.
Onyo me come neme ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ogbogun na gbo ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ofo mbosi njaya ga bia yugo omo mbalare ya dansa ifo nye metalo bulu. The heart of man is so evil, the thoughts of man full of wickedness. Greed and selfishness has destroyed the world. Ami faneche, amonya leze. Onyo me come neme, ifo metalo ogeji si abulu. Ogbogun na gbo, ifo metalo ogeji si abulu.
Our husband. Good day.
The mama. The mama, you are back.
What is wrong with you? Eh? You're saying me here, you're asking me, are you back? No, I'm not back yet. I'm still walking on the road.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry, that's the only thing you know how to say. Eh? By the way, where did you keep the key when you were leaving the house?
I kept it in the usual place.
That does not answer my question. Where did you keep the key when you were leaving this house?
I kept it in the fireplace.
You kept my key in the fireplace. Just listen to yourself.
But that's the usual place where we keep the key.
Since when? No, answer me, since when? I'm asking you, since when? Since you started doing things on your own. Whatever you want to do. As if you're the man of this house. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's just to know how to say. Please go and get me one.
Is it for bathing or for drinking?
For swimming. No, for swimming. Maybe use butter and bring it so I'll jump inside and start swimming. See bucket, use bucket. Is it for drinking or for bottom tea? Water is at the back of the house.
It's still the same way.
Use this way.
Where are you and the water now? Chioma! Where is the water now, Chioma? What is keeping you?
What is holding you? Eh? Just to get me water.
Sorry, I was trying to get water.
Oh my God. Oh, what is this? Eh? Can't you see? Can't you see?
Sorry, the cup slipped from my...
Sleep what? What is this? Hey, just look at it. Leave it. Get out. Get out. Hey, God. Look at my book. Just look at. Eh? Hey. Ooh, what is this? Eh?
Did he lay a hand on you? If he had done that, it would have been better than talking to me as if I'm his house girl. This is not fair. Eh? This is not your fault. Why is Dikeh being unnecessarily wicked? Don't worry. Own them. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. When? When will it be? I can't bear this anymore. I can't continue to live in fear in my husband's house. I know what you can do, and this whole thing will be over. If I tell you what to do now, you'll start acting the good wife. I know what you can do, and this whole thing will be over. Jigo, you know what I can do, and you're leaving me to suffer. Please tell me what it is. I want to make my husband happy, and I'll live in peace with him. Ogini, tell me what it is. Are you sure? It was sure. Tell me, Biko, anything. I am willing to do it. You have to use another person. I don't understand. Ibumazi, sleep with another man. I should sleep with another man? Yes. God forbid. God forbid what? It is an abomination before God and man. I can't do it. This is why I said that you like acting the good wife. No, I can't do it. Sleep with another man. Chima, a lot of people do it. I don't need a wife of Ugo did it. That her first son with big head is not from her husband. Eliza, the wife of Carpenter, did it. And it worked for her. Machi, my own sister, did it. I knew about it. And it worked for her. No, I am not those people. Ha! But you are in the condition they were some time ago. Don't do it. Sit down. Fold your arms. Be a good wife until Dikeh gets another woman. God forbid. You and this God forbid. You will forbid it before God forbids it for you. And the only way you can forbid it, Chima, is to get a child for your husband. Through another man? He will not know. Ha! Ibumazi. Ha! I can't do it. You can't do it. I can't. Sit down. Rub lipstick and eye pencil. When Dikeh gets another woman pregnant, in my situation, na paken stop Ghana. Expect it. I wonder why this is taking too long. It's as if there's no more hope for me. What do you mean?
You have to be careful so that this anxiety does not lead you into the kind of trouble that you will find difficult to recover from for the rest of your life.
Mama, people insult us on a daily basis. On a daily basis. They make jest of us. They call us names. Dikeh is even making life unbearable for me. When will this be over?
When you have a child, those same people that mock you would come and rejoice with you. You have to be careful. Do not listen to what people say. I'm saying this as an advice and a
When Dikeh gets another woman pregnant, in my own situation, na paken stop again.
If I had known, I won't be like this now. If I had known, I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse.
My husband.
Temptation.
I saw Dikeh with another woman on your matrimonial day.
I said it.
No, I saw him on the road with another woman. He almost kissed her. Nya onu sus.
Edition of Tabayaki on that.
Chima, Dikeh passed by my side to hear more.
Hi. Chima, you're not serious.
I'm telling you. Now.
Oh! Ochakoda go. Ochago koda. You better act fast now. Act fast before another woman will come into your house and take your place.
What am I going to do?
I say, you are asking me what you will do. What? Keep asking me what to do. Oh? As marriage counselor, where?
I won't be like this now. If I had known, I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible.
Chioma, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you going to? How is your husband?
He's doing well. He has gone to work.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. You're always looking good.
Thank you. Thank
It's
you.
okay.
You went to get firewood.
Yes, I went to the farm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do Lisa. Can you come to the house?
To your house? Yes. It's okay. I hope no problem.
No problem. It's just that I want us to talk about something very important.
Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Let me get home and drop my cutlass and the firewood. No it's okay.
I'm in the house.
No problem. No problem. And who says your time with him is in vain?
I want to be a happy woman, and I want my husband to be happy as well. I want to give him a child.
Are you saying what I'm thinking?
You have to help me. I have started seeing my husband with other women. I don't want to lose him.
Oh, do you realize what you're saying? Do you?
Oh, Lisa, please. I know what I'm talking about. The mockery has gone beyond what I can bear. I've started seeing my husband with other women. I don't want to lose him. I can't.
But you know your husband is my friend. He's my best friend.
I know.
I'm your husband's best friend.
I know, but it doesn't stop you from helping me if you want to.
But you know this has nemesis, oh. This has nemesis, oh.
Lisa, please, leave me to worry about the nemesis. I just need you to help me. Please.
But how do I face Dikeh?
He wouldn't know unless you tell him. He wouldn't know unless you tell him, please.
Chioma, this might put us in trouble, oh.
See, there's no trouble in this. I believe you can help me if you set your mind to it, please. Eh? I'm going to be here tomorrow when he goes to work.
Tomorrow?
Yes, I will I'll be waiting for you. Go, be cool. Please. Tomorrow, please. Lisa, please, this is between you and I. It's between us. You're not saying anything.
Chioma, you're a very beautiful woman. You're beautiful inside out.
Lisa, this did not happen. Did you get that?
I knew you'd be this sweet. I wish I would have you all the days of my life, and yes, I did.
Listen, this never happened. As a matter of fact, you were not here. Have you heard me? Don't touch me. Get out. Now. Get out. Get out!
How did it go?
How did what go? Disgusting. Horrible. I just wanted it to end. Hey. Biko, stop laughing. It's not a laughing matter.
But he left his seed in you. That is what matters. And it will work.
I feel so terrible. I feel ashamed of myself. I don't know how I'm going to be able to face my husband.
Mokim, you're not the first to have done that. Very soon you stop feeling ashamed and silly. When the baby comes, when you carry your baby, now you'll be smiling. It's a walk. Relax. Man, don't worry.
If I had known, yes,
I am greeting you. I said welcome. Oh.
Now tell me the truth.
What truth?
Don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
You don't want to tell me the truth, eh?
What are you talking about? I don't understand what
you
you're
don't know
talking
what I'm talking about. Eh? Very soon, you know what I'm talking about.
Dikeh, you're making me nervous with this thing you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you ready to tell me the truth? Are you ready to talk to me?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I need to be left alone until you're ready to talk.
Hey! What did you tell my husband? Did you tell him anything? No. Answer me! Did you tell my husband anything? I did not! Abun BBC or Radio Nigeria. Eh? Okay. Don't tell me you've messed the whole thing up. Am I stupid? Eh? How could I have told him? Then who did? Who told him? Did anyone see you with it? How would I? I don't know. Then you should go and ask him if he did that of teasing. You know men can be silly at times. Whatever, now I'm Chioma Chukwuka. Hey! Who puts me in this kind of mess? What is wrong with this girl? Eh? She is so lily-livered. Obelife, Aranamwe, kuku. Did you tell my husband anything?
Tell your husband anything? Anything like what?
Did you tell him about us?
If I had known, I won't be like this now. If I had known,
hey!
I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible temptation, I wish I had known. If I had known, if I had known.
Hey! Come here.
Sorry, Manu. That's where I'm coming from. Should I?
No, don't go.
fly. You can fly.
You're sorry. For 5 years. I have lived with you for 5 good years. Chioma, 5 years. I've stayed together with you for 5 good... Oh my God, what?
I'm sorry.
5 years! Five good years! 5 good years, and you couldn't tell me that your mother did an Obanje ritual on you. Yeah? How could you... How? No. How could you hide such thing from me?
Hey.
Oh, well, if I didn't hear it from people, and I will live with you for the rest of my life, and I wouldn't even know about it. Yeah?
He's sorry. It happened a long time ago.
I mean...
A long time ago. My mother did it, but she eventually found out that I'm not an Ogbanje.
I'm not bothered if you are an Ogbanje or not. I'm not bothered. But you could have told me.
I'm sorry.
I'm your husband. You could have told me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mama, please, I'm sorry.
You could have told me. I'm your husband.
Anyway, don't be upset.
Chioma, it's okay. Just get my food. Then
Food?
Get
I will
me
get it now. Hi, it was me, Wotu and Obiko.
5 good years.
Sorry.
5 good years. And you're still hiding something from me.
Sorry. I told him everything. Huh? I almost killed myself by myself. Hey. Oh.
Oh! Don't tell me you're ticklish like this.
You should.
Hold on. Okay, I'm done.
You know, I'm happy when you're happy. I don't like you when you're not happy. It makes me sad. Don't worry. I know and I believe that very soon God will bless us with our own children.
You're talking with so much confidence. Are you seeing any sign?
No, but I just believe very soon.
Very soon what?
Very soon we'll have our own children.
Okay.
And we're going to call him Obonna.
Him?
Yes.
See, your confidence gladdens my heart so much.
Thank you.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
So what are you doing here?
What I'm doing here?
Well, I couldn't sleep last night where I was thinking about you.
Are you alright?
If I'm alright? No, I'm not alright because I'm here for you to make me right. I'm here to get enough of you. You know what I want. If you can give it to me, I'll be fine. Come on.
Will you get your hands off me? Will you leave my husband's house right now?
Oh! Your husband's house?
Yes.
I should leave.
Yes.
No, you know I can't leave until you give me what I want. Make me happy. If you make me happy, I will.
Are you out of your mind, Olisa?
Oh, out of my mind. Oh, you're asking me if... No. You don't want me to shout? Fine, if you don't want me to shout, give me what I want. If you should give it to me, oh, I will stop shouting and I will stop disturbing you. Come on.
Leave me alone. What is wrong with you? I said get out of this house right now.
What is wrong with me is you refusing to give me what I am looking for. If you don't give it to me, I will let your husband know about this. Yes! Listen, I will tell him everything that has been going on, what both of us we've been doing. I will tell him.
So you want to blackmail me? Is that what you want to do? Hey. You want to blackmail me, Olisa? What is it?
Nothing.
You're welcome.
Are you alright?
I'm alright.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm alright. There's nothing wrong.
Get me something to eat.
Listen to my mother. I should have listened to my mother. Huh? This thing just yielded nothing. Sorry. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. But I was making food for my husband. It's alright. You don't look happy. Why would I be happy? Eh? Why would I be happy? That man just had me for nothing. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Have you checked very well? I know what I'm talking about. He just had me for nothing. Maybe you should try another man. What did you say? Hey now, I should try another man. How many men do I have to sleep with for?
Hey, Nai. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Welcome. So that was it. Welcome. Welcome.
What did you just say? How many men do I have to sleep with before it works? Please, I don't want to hear that thing again, Obiko. What is that?
So why then did you come to me when you knew you were not going to take my advice?
Oh. Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry for bothering you.
Don't go, ma'am. You get angry easily. I was only trying to help. Yes. It's for your good.
Thank you. Help.
Hey, Chima, I will come and see you. Oh?
Sometime last year, you promised me that you're going to share the land and give me money for it.
Yes, I did. But you have to remember that last year, we had so many burials in our kindred.
Okay. So can we do it now?
Yeah, yes, we can. But I remember you said you're traveling to Umuahia. I think it's better we do it when you come back from Umuahia. Besides, it's proper that I inform some of our kinsmen to be witness to it.
Oh, okay. Okay, Day. Let me go and prepare for my trip to Umuahia tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
I wish you Johnny mercy as you go.
Okay.
Drive carefully.
Okay, I will.
You want me to share 5 acres of land with you when I have 5 sons? What would you do with the land when you don't even have a child? You will not see not a plot of land, not even a sand, the grain of sand from that plot of land will get to you. Idiot. Dikeh, you are going to Umuahia tomorrow. It is your decision, not mine. You will go with your front, and you shall return with your back. None of these words will come back to me. Ukurutu! Ukurutu!
I think my wife is seeing another man.
What makes you think so?
I'm having these feelings. I can feel it.
When you begin to think this way, it will make you lose the trust and love you have for your wife. Stop it.
I don't know why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling about this whole thing. But anyway, I will be going to Umuahia tomorrow. Please, I want you to put an eye on her.
That same tomorrow I will be going for my maternal. I will be going to my maternal home for Ikeji festival. But if you listen to me, I will tell you to stop suspecting your wife. Stop it. You don't need it.
My instincts cannot lie to me.
We know your wife. She's a faithful woman. And every man in this village wants to get married to a woman like that. Seriously, I would advise you should stop suspecting her so that the love and trust you have for her will not go. Please. Drink up. drink. I know you'll be lonely now that the Dikeh has gone to...
I am not lonely. Can you get out of this place? Get out of my house.
Why are you behaving like a little girl? Hmm? I am here to keep you company.
Did I tell you I needed company? I don't want you around me. I have told you, stop coming around me. Get out!
Nobody will hear about it. It's between us. Between us.
That I violated my marriage right means nothing to you, right? Get out.
Listen, will you stop this? Stop it! Why are you making me look like I have no conscience? Eh? Have you forgotten I'm helping you? I'm just helping you.
And I have said it is enough. That filth that went on between you and I is over. I don't want you here again.
Let me
Get out.
something. If your husband could make babies, would you have invited me here that day?
Stop it.
Hmm?
Stop it.
Stop
right
what?
now.
Stop what?
I have told you it will never happen again. Now get out of this place.
Listen, you said that before. And I am here to make sure that this time, Chioma, you enjoy it. You enjoy it.
Will you shut up? Don't you have common sense? Have you asked yourself if the seed you put inside of me yielded?
And that is the reason I am here to make sure that this time you enjoy it, and it will be, after enjoying it, Chioma, it will begin to have babies.
Hey! Get out of this place. Now.
I should get out.
Yes.
Fine. Look at me. Look straight into my eyes and tell me that you don't want this.
Get out of this place now.
Why are you looking at me now?
Doors and windows all locked. And it's very hot.
Mama, you know that I decided to read my husband's books now that he's not around. I don't want to be missing him too much.
Okay. Your husband will soon come back. Then we'll stop missing him.
Hey. Thank you. Welcome.
Nena, I brought you some akidi.
Hey, akidi. As if you knew I was crazy. Hey.
I had the
Thank
feeling.
you.
That was why I decided to get it.
Hey, Kezebo child you.
Oh, okay. Mama.
Hey, Mama, come and sit outside here so that you can see fresh. No, it's hot inside. Yeah, you might not some no. So sit here. What do I get for you to? No, here. Okay. What do I get for you to eat?
Get me something. I'm really hungry. I've been out all morning.
I'm coming. I prepared something for you to eat.
What is that?
Hey, come here. I made eju soup.
Oh, I don't want to eat eju soup.
When did you stop eating eju?
It's not that I've stopped, but I don't feel like eating it now. Besides, it takes out something from my powers.
Okay, should I do roasted yam for you?
No, don't bother. It's okay. I'll go home. I have some patients I need to attend to. Oh, fool, the man, he has a broken bone. Crying like a small child. Let me go and treat them.
So maybe I'll come and see you later in the day. No, tomorrow.
It's okay. Anyone that suits you.
Okay.
Kanjebe?
Okay.
No, don't bother. Thank you.
Okay. Hey. Okay, bye-bye, oh. God inside.
Who was that?
My mother, she almost called us. You have to leave now.
It's okay. After all, it's not your husband now.
Please, you have to go now. Somebody else might come. What do you mean by
nobody is coming? Just come. Let's have it.
Have what?
Stop doing this.
What has she done?
Get out! Get out! Are you deaf? I said get out!
Fine. I will leave. But be ready to hear what happens between you and I from the village.
Hey, you better tell the entire community I don't care. I know what to tell my husband. Get out!
You're such an ingrate.
Who is that? Who is that? I'm coming! Who is there, Kwano? Hey, Mama.
I heard voices.
Voices? I was reading.
Who is in here? I heard a male voice.
Mama, you know I like to recite this African folk tale, and I like mimicking the tortoise.
Something smells filthy around here.
Like dead rat up here.
Dead rat.
You know I used rat poison a few days ago. menu.
I want my basket.
Basket?
The basket I used to bring Akidi.
It's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. Let's go and bring it. I will sweep this room after. What is it? The basket is in the kitchen. What?
I want to tell you the story about a chameleon and the leopard.
Mama, please, can this your story wait till I come to the house?
No problem. Because it's not the kind of story you tell while standing. Can I have my basket?
Because
Basket?
Basket? Oh! The one you brought Akidi. The one you used to bring the Akidi up, where? Don't worry, when I'm coming to the house, I'll bring it. Are you going? Should I see you off? Hey! So, Chioma, so I'm the one now that is the unfaithful wife. What am I becoming?
So you still have the guts to beat me, eh? Eh?
Look.
You still have the guts to hit me?
What are you going to do?
Okay. As I was saying, be ready to hear what happened between us from the villagers. Unless you're ready for us to talk like adults.
I will never talk like an adult. So it is better you leave this place now, or else I will scream and the entire village will come here and gather. I will tell them that you want to rape me.
So, that is where you want it?
That is the way it is.
I know what to do.
What are you going to do?
I know what to do.
What are you going to do? What is that thing that you're going to do that will be more than you telling the people that will tell my husband what happened between us? Look, I have made up my mind to tell my husband because I know he will understand and forgive me.
What if he refuses to forgive you?
Then I will go back to my mother's house and have peace of mind. It will not make you more than the man you are. Yes.
You now have a strong voice, right? You don't have a strong voice, eh?
Okay.
Get out!
It's so long.
So, she's now using me to do sour. Sour. Mua. Me Olisa. Olisa mama no Buddha.
What could be the smell of that evil in that house? If it's what I'm thinking. Hey! If it's what I'm thinking.
Terrible temptation, I wish I had known. If I had known, if I had
What are you doing here?
Zunwa, we have to settle this once and for all.
There's nothing to settle.
If you don't leave here now, I will scream and tell the entire village that you want to rape me.
You're being wicked.
You are the one that is being wicked here. Are you alright?
Chioma, why are you denying me this thing? Huh? Chioma, why are you denying me this thing?
Shut up!
This is sheer wickedness.
Shut up, I say! Are you mad? Are you my husband? What do you mean by I'm denying you something? Can you hear yourself at all? Or you just open your mouth and start to say nonsense anyhow?
Shut up! Shut up! Are you different? Are you special? Eh? What makes you different from other women who sleep with men for money?
What did you just say?
You heard me. You cheat thing. You're cheap. You're loose. You slap me.
Yes. Jesus.
Mad. Eh? Are you mad?
I'm no man. I'm no man. To sleep. Idiot. Idiot.
I want be like this now. If I had known, I wouldn't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible temptation, I wish I had known. If I had
Look at Uncle, look at Uncle. Sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Why is he not answering us? Thank God you did not see my slippers. Come now, let's enter the bush.
Enter the bush and do what?
I'm fine for you.
Come on.
Ukurutu has never failed me. Or has Dikeh started seeing a stronger Dibia? Okay, we'll find out.
Onyo meko meneme, ifo metalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ogwo na agwo, ifo botalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ofumbosi, njaya gabia yubo, omambalari ya nansa, ifo nye metalo bulu. The heart of man is so evil, the thoughts of man full of wickedness.
Ukurutu, Dikeh is back, alive. What happened?
Onyo meko meneme, ifo metalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ogwo na agwo, ifo botalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ofumbosi, njaya gabia yubo, omambalari ya nansa, ifo nye metalo bulu. Onyo meko meneme, ifo metalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ogwo na agwo, ifo botalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ofumbosi, njaya gabia yubo, omambalari ya nansa, ifo nye.
Let me see how you will escape this time. Ukurutu! 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 Awaza!
Full of wickedness, greed and selfishness has destroyed the world. Amifaneche, amonyaneze. Onyo meko meneme, ifo metalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ogwo na agwo, ifo botalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ofumbosi, njaya gabia yubo, omambalari ya nansa, ifo nye metalo bulu. Onyo meko meneme, ifo metalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ogwo na agwo, ifo botalo ogejisi ya bulu. Ofumbosi, njaya gabia yubo,
Dikeh,
omambalari ya nansa, ifo nye.
you came back so early. I was not even expecting you.
Dave, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Can you remember how I trained all your children, 5 of them, in secondary school, with the money I earned from teaching?
Of course I know.
Can you remember how I gave Okechukwu some money to start up a business and single-handedly took care of your wife's burial?
Why are you listing all this? I know.
And what did you pay me with? This.
Dikeh.
This.
Why are you sounding like this? If it's because of the land, I will share it and give you your own portion.
Can you remember when you had an eye operation and I spent my last cover to make sure it came out well? Why did you do this to me?
Dikeh, I don't understand you anymore.
Why did you pay me back with this?
Is this why you came back from Only to come and remind me the things you've done for me?
Dear, what have I done to you? Oh.
Dikeh, pour palm wine and drink, then go home and rest. After we'll talk about how to share the land.
I am not here to drink palm wine. Drinking is for the living.
What kind of a man is this? It's like he's speaking in tongues and he keeps escaping each time.
My love, why are you crying? It's okay, stop crying. Give me your hand. Get up. It's okay. Everything is alright now. Stop crying. Come on, let's go in.
I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible temptation, I wish I had known. If I had known, if I had known, it's a long walk again. You put your goals on your home again.
My dear, you have to stop crying, okay?
I love you very much.
I know. You don't have to say this. I know.
My heart is very heavy and I need to unburden it.
I bought something for you.
That's what I need to tell you.
Don't worry about it. Do you like it? I'm looking for my new cutlass.
A new cutlass? What do you need it for?
I want to go to the farm and cut the grasses there.
Which farm?
The one at the back of Nana's house.
Cleared it.
Have you?
Yes.
Wow.
You just got back. You need to rest, okay? Hmm?
Rest is for the living.
Rest is for the living.
You know, the world is restless. So are the people in it.
Come. Let us come and rest.
Anxiety in my heart. What is this trouble coming? I can't see it.
To wear your shoes?
Yes.
When did you arrive from Omai?
I came back a few hours ago.
Oh, good. You're welcome. How is Omai?
Omai is good as usual. Chioma? Chioma?
Yeah?
Please get us some chair.
Okay.
Are you alright? Chioma, I'm talking to you. Are you alright? Bring the chairs.
The
seat, bring the seats.
Okay.
Please, get us cola.
Oh, is it every time you offer me cola?
He's only a foolish man that doesn't know that the brother is a visitor.
You always have something to say.
Chioma.
Eh?
Please get us cola.
Cola?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Chioma, where is the cola? Cola is here. Are you alright? Are you sure? Olisa, cola is here.
Ojes and Ezenaka. Eto.
Give me some minutes. I'll be with you soon.
All right.
God, please save me from this thing. Oh.
Do you know I'm still surprised at how you traveled to Maya with motorcycle? Do you know you're fearless?
I am Dikeh, the son of his father. Why should I be scared?
Everyone in this village is talking about it. Even your students are talking about it. You are the story in everyone's lips in this village.
Olisa, just give me some time.
What is it? What is it?
Obi, my brother has broken my heart.
How do you mean? What do you mean?
Only one road leads to the passage of times. It is close by. One road.
What are you saying?
Is anyone here? Is anyone here?
Maybe you knock at the door. Dikeh, you're not saying anything. You're scaring me. Say something, please.
Is anyone here? Is anyone here? Is anyone here?
Yes.
Good day, ma'am.
Is this the house of Dikeh, the teacher? Yes. Okay. Yes, it is. You are...
We actually came from the headquarters. We came with the news.
Okay, let me call him. He's inside.
Call him?
Yes.
Is he at home?
Are you sure this is the right place?
Yes, he's at home, and this is my husband's house, Dikeh, the teacher. Let me call him.
Are you sure this is the right place?
Let us see. Let us see.
Gentleman, he's not inside.
Sorry, madam. Please, tell us. Are you sure this is Dikeh's house?
This is Dikeh's house. Who doesn't know Dikeh's house in this community? He's my husband.
Madam, are you sure he was the one you were with?
Hey, why are you asking me all these questions? He's my husband. Who doesn't know him? He was even sitting down there eating kola nut with his friend.
The Dikeh we are talking about was in Umuahia 2 days ago.
Yes! He's my husband. He came back this morning. I hope everything is alright, Biko.
Yes, all is fine. We actually came with a document we would like him to look into before we sign it.
Document? No problem now. But he's not inside.
Sorry, madam. Sorry, does Dikeh, your husband, have a relative you can talk to right now?
Of course now. He has a brother, Obi. If he's not around, Obi can sign, Abi.
Sure.
Okay. He lives in that house across the market road.
Okay. The house? Is it the first market or the second one?
The first market. Okay. Just opposite the market. Okay. That house.
Very well.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
His name is
Obi, yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so he can sign, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
Olisa. Olisa. Did you come to tell him anything? Olisa.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm fine. You must be What is wrong with you? It is itching me. What?
Stop scratching now. Come on.
Relax now, tell me, what is it?
Jego, I think it's that thing.
Which thing?
That thing that I did.
Which thing that you did now? You don't want that kind
of...
Yes,
that thing that I did with Elisa.
Scratch. No, now it's not possible.
And what else can there be? Wait, that's the only thing I did.
Have you seen your mother concerning this?
Mama.
Jeff Mama she's a herbalist. Kongi relax, pretend that nothing is happening. Just pretend that nothing is happening. Sorry, okay. You can see. Put on a wall, put on. I know, just pretend that nothing is happening to you. Then my husband is out, Jacob. Sorry, Jacob.
Okay. Onny, I'll come and see you. Hey. My husband. How you doing, wine? Women things. Don't worry now.
It must be something.
Let's see the granite. You go and buy this granite again. Or do you want to bury it?
If I had known, I won't be like this now. If I had known, I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got...
What happened? What happened?
I'm scared.
What happened? Is your husband all right?
He's fine.
So what is the problem? Something smells.
Hey! Hey!
What have you done?
You said you don't want to go.
No, sir. We're okay. You can keep the cooler for another day.
So what brought you to my house?
Well, sir, we actually came from the headquarters. We brought terrible news.
Terrible news?
Yes.
If the terrible news is about tax, I am not paying. Because for 20 years I have been paying tax and I can't see what government has done with it. So please count me out of that.
No, sir. It's not about the task. It's about your brother, Dikeh.
What about him?
Sir, you have to pull yourself together.
How?
Your brother Dikeh died in an accident while coming home last night.
must be out of your mind. You don't know what you're saying. Dikeh was here this morning with me. As a matter of fact, we almost shared a keg of palm wine, but he refused to drink. Eh?
He was here this morning.
Yes, he was. He stopped by on his way from Umuahia to let me know he's back. I don't know what both of you are saying.
See, we are sure of what we are saying. As we speak right now, his body is in the mortuary.
Yes.
Dikeh in the mortuary.
Yes.
Well, sir, I know this will be very difficult for you to believe. But you can come with us so you can see things for yourself. We're telling you the truth. And nothing but the truth.
Okay, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah, Mama, scratch this. Ayo, boy.
Open it wider. Oh, it's wide. It's enough. Please. Cover yourself, please. Sit down. Move inside. Is your husband back from Umuahia?
He came back this morning.
Do you know the disease you're suffering from?
Disease?
It's called Origwopo. It's the kind of disease a man gets from sleeping with a corpse or sleeping with animals. If you were not my daughter, there's no way I would have gone in there.
Nana, my brother.
Yes.
This man said they are from the headquarters. And they came here with the bad news of Dikeh's death.
Which Dikeh?
Dikeh, my brother, of course.
What are you saying? But I saw Dikeh coming back from Umuahia this morning.
Same here. Dikeh was with me this morning. He was sitting where you were. I tried to pacify him to drink palm wine with me, but he refused. And he wasn't looking very happy. I don't know what this man are talking about.
Sir, we can lie to you both. As we speak right now, his body has been deposited to the mortuary.
No.
What are you saying?
Sir, maybe it was his ghost that you saw.
Definitely.
Bao, this is getting serious. We have to go to his house.
Anyways, we're coming from there. And the wife told us that he just left the house. That's why we're here.
Obi, go and get ready. Let us go to Dikeh's house, please.
Yes, let me go and change. Just give me some time.
What is this? Long wallet. Sofa soja. Can't give up.
We are very sure.
I was about coming to your house.
Ijego, was there ever a time, any time, Ulisa walked in the mortuary? Yes.
Hey!
What is it? That was long time before Dikeh married you. Why do you ask? Chioma, what are you talking about?
Hey! What is wrong with her?
Love you.
Your body is cold. And I couldn't feel your heartbeat.
I want to go and meet Chukwuka. He's owing me some money.
Okay. Hurry up and come back. We need to talk.
It's okay. Before you know it, I will come back. Okay?
Okay.
I'll see you soon.
I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible temptation, I wish I had known. If I had known, if I had known, it's a long walk again, Joe. You put your goals on your bamboo, making us Makwara, Nabiadi Bazo, Makwara, Makwara, Nabiadi Bazo, Makwara, Makwara, Nabiadi Bazo. It's a long walk again, Joe. You put your goals on your bamboo, making us Makwara, Nabiadi Bazo.
How are you? Where is your husband?
He's not around.
Has he returned from Omai?
Yes, he has. He came back this morning.
I told you I saw him.
Is anything the matter?
Wait. Where did he say he was going to?
He said he wants to go and meet someone who owes him some money.
Did he mention any name of who owes him the money?
Yes. He said Chukwuka.
Okay, we'll be right back, oh?
Okay.
All is well.
Okay. So bad, bro. Ngwajenu come out.
No. I think it's proper we go and get those two young men from the headquarters before going to Chukwuka's place. Yes.
Do you think it's important?
Of course it is. Very, very important. Okay, let's go and get them.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, do you know that you are going to live long? Ige Biogonogomtu. Immediately they mentioned you just appeared. Your brother left here with two men. They came looking for you.
It's okay. Keep this.
What is this?
As it is now,
Money.
no one owes me. I'm only owing the Mother Earth.
Money? What are you talking about? I don't understand what you're talking about. Where did you get this money from?
Chingwa,
Follow
me.
I don't understand what is going on.
Just come.
You're confusing me. Don't you want me to cook the yam for you again?
Where are you?
I'm coming. Let me keep... Hey.
You mean Dikeh was here?
Oh yes, he was here. And he just left. You mean you did not see him on your way for me?
No.
These men here said Dikeh is dead. Dikeh is dead? No, that is a very big lie. He was here with me a while ago. I don't believe that. How can that happen?
See. We are tired of saying this. Dikeh the teacher is dead.
Wait. Let me get something straight here. Are you trying to tell me that it was his ghost that was here with me a while ago?
Oh.
See, sir, with due respect, I think we are tired of this whole thing. We are tired of going from one house to another. I mean, if you people think that what we've told you is a lie, then you people can go to St. Andrew Mortuary and see his remains for yourself. What's all this?
Because gentlemen, thank you very much. Oh, thank you.
Let's go, please.
We have to go to mortuary and confirm that he's really the one.
I want to believe that Dikeh is really dead. The way he was behaving while he was here tells it all.
Please, what did he do? How?
He was saying something about owing the mother earth his ash. And that is very strange.
Then we have to go to mortuary to make sure he's really dead.
Okay, give me 1 minute. Let me go in and change.
This is not our farm. What are we doing here? What's in it?
Take it home. It's money.
Whose money?
Just take it home. Go home and wait for me. I'll meet you up in the night. Cook bitter leaf soup for me. Take this. I'll see you soon. Just go.
Chioma, you're not supposed to be moving around the village now.
No, let me go home. Right? Day one.
Did you have to tell her that? Nana, if I don't tell her, she will eventually know. So I might as well tell her.
You should learn not to count your chickens before they hatch. You should have a child first before you begin to give him names.
Why are you always talking and speaking in tongues? Let's go.
You know where we are going to now? Please don't make this kind of mistake next time. Hey! That shall never cease to happen. Hey! Dikeh! Hey! Biliazo, no, no, here.
Hey! Dikeh! Yeah, Nana. So Dikeh, my brother, is the one lying lifeless inside that mortuary.
Mano agafunare na nye. O gini mere Dikeh? Hi. My brother. Obi. Ogwa onye obia pụrụ. Onye obia la onu pụrụ obula ụjọ. Anyị ga-edibekwan. You are a man. You have to take it hard. Let us begin to make plans on how to move him from here to the village mortuary. Eh? Wow.
So after all the time we wasted waiting for Chukwuka to join us to the mortuary, he's yet to show up here.
That one. Please don't mind him. His body language even tells me that I don't even think he planned joining us to this place. You know he's a coward.
No, let's
go. Let's go. Hi. Oh, yeah, John. Oh. Hey.
Get me the food.
You scared me. How can you be scaring me like this now? I hope you like it.
It's delicious.
Okay. Good day, Mom. Is there something you would like to tell me?
Why do you ask?
Because you've been acting really strange. Your attitude is unlike you. I don't know.
Don't worry. Soon I'll have rest.
I knew you were tired. Don't worry, when you finish eating, you rest very well. Before that, you take your bath and I'll massage you very well. You take this thing off. You've been wearing it since morning. I don't know how someone will travel and continue to wear what he came back with.
When the time comes, I'll remove it.
Oh, well, eat. I hope you're enjoying your palm wine.
Very well. Very well. It's so sweet. I wouldn't mind if you can get me that stuff I used to like.
What? Ozokwakwa? You want to eat something else this night?
I mean the fried yam, the way you used to prepare it for me.
Hey! You just swallowed fufu. Are you sure all is well?
Please, can you just do it? I know how much I missed it. I know how much I like it.
This woman here that you went... This woman... Let me go to the kitchen and see what I can ruffle up.
Okay, please, just do it for me, please.
Oh, you're not eating for 2 people though. Are you sure you're not the one that is now pregnant? My husband.
My wife. My wife. How are you?
I'm fine.
So you're home?
Yes. I'm here.
When last did you visit your mother?
My mother? What happened to her?
No, nothing happened.
Is everything all right?
Everything is fine. You see, we were wondering if you could travel down and stay with her instead of staying here all alone by yourself.
Hey, you can tell me the truth. What happened to my mother? Eh?
There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with your mother. She's fine.
Then who?
we were actually wondering how you could be staying in this house all by yourself.
Alone? How? I'm not alone in the house. I'm here with my husband.
Husband? Your husband? You mean your husband is here?
Yes. He was the one drinking this palm wine. Told me to go and bring yam for him.
So where is he?
No.
Don't worry. Come back. We'll come back tomorrow.
Yes. Okay. And you met up with him name and let me go and conclude what I was doing in the kitchen. Okay. Let me bring.
Okay. Dikeh is truly dead.
Yes. But my problem is, why is the spirit roaming about?
That is the part I don't understand. I don't know.
Hey, maybe we will need to see a very strong medicine man to know what to do.
No. It has not gotten to that.
It has not gotten to that, man. Are you sure his spirit has not come back to haunt any of us?
You might be right.
Let's listen.
Chimwa, are you alright? Sit down.
Are you alright?
I'm scared.
Scared?
I don't understand what is happening around me anymore.
Is your husband well?
He's well. He's okay. But am I alive?
Why do you ask if you're alive?
It's as if I'm dangling between two worlds, between dreams and reality. Mother, please touch me. I don't understand what I've become. I don't know. I'm confused.
What have you done? You smell of death and misfortune. Did you let another man use his pestle inside your mother? Yes. Sophia! Hey! Do you know what you've done?
I needed a child.
Are you God? I told you the child would come with time.
Forgive me, Mother.
For how long has this been going on?
Just once. Once.
You need to go back home and tell your husband what you've done.
I can't. He will be angry.
Yes, he would be angry, but he would forgive you. You need to tell him before the spirits would kill you and your husband. Go. What has she done? Oh! Another man's pestle inside our mother.
Olisa, did you see my husband? Olisa, did you see my husband?
black moon. My daughter, the arms of death shall never enshroud you.
I'm going to the north.
You're going to the north at this time of the day and you didn't inform me earlier.
I'm so sorry, but the earth keeps throwing me around. I'm going to Confrontation.
I had told you earlier that I wanted to talk to you about something. I need to unburden my heart.
Is it about you and Olisa?
He already told you.
No one tells the seer what the sacrifice at the crossroad means.
So, please forgive me.
No. Get up. I've forgiven you already. I've forgiven you. I know you did not do it because you were unfaithful. You did it to please me. You were remorseful of what you did. I forgive you because Olisa did not put his seed in you.
What? How did you know?
I love you. My love. I'll see you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Take care of yourself.
I need...
Where's your husband?
He just left.
Left to where?
He said he's going to the north.
I have not set my eyes on him. Did you apologize to him?
I did, and he said he has forgiven me.
Dikeh is a good man.
Mother, I don't think he has truly forgiven me. I don't think so.
You need to pack your things. There's so much evil force around here. You need to get out of here until everything calms down. Even Annie is not happy with you.
Let me get my things.
We need to live here. You need to get out of here and stay out. Stay. Go on exile.
Ukurutu. 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 Tomorrow we will be going to see the Dibia. I implore you to cover me. Ukurutu, don't fail me. Don't fail me.
Your brother did not die a natural death. His wife committed abomination that led to his death.
I knew it. I knew it. Nobody has died at that age in our lineage. Nobody.
Please, what can we do to make his spirit rest in peace?
The woman has to confess first.
Yes.
Go and tell her to confess. Then Annie will be appeased. You can go.
Break her head.
In short, I'll tear her apart. Obi-Wan name Wayowa. Wayowa Biko. The Dibia did not say that we should beat her. Remember, the Dibia only said that we should tell her to confess. Okay, please. All right. Let her refuse to confess and see what I will do to her. But wait, Obi. What abomination do you even think she committed? I suspect she slept with another man. Yes. But even at that, it can only kill her if her husband eats her food. I think she did it before Dikeh traveled to Umuahia. Oh, yeah? Yes. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
It's not a funny matter.
Where's that woman? Huh? Chioma! Chioma, come out! Come out here, Chioma! Chioma! Back on! Chioma! Chioma! Hey! Get up on now! Wherever you are, come out now!
Maybe she's in another place.
You better come out, oh! Agaracha must come back. Come out now.
Let's go.
Ebe solia nodu. Ojecha.
Okay.
Omataria no.
I bind every spirit of misfortune and failure that you have brought upon yourself. May they depart from you. May they depart from you as you go on this exile. When you get to my mother's house, go to the fireplace and pick up the key. The spirit of my mother will take care of you. Now go.
Where is your daughter? I know she's here.
What is the problem?
We want to speak with her face to face.
Yes.
She's not here.
If she's not here, where could she be?
I should be asking you. Is she not your brother's wife?
Dikeh, our brother, is dead. And the Dikeh says he will not be buried unless your daughter comes to confess her abomination.
What? Hi. Dikeh dead? But she told me he went to the north.
His ghost is roaming about the village.
Dikeh. Gone? How could that be? No wonder. I had the premonition. I knew something was wrong.
We will give her until tomorrow morning to come and confess what she has done. Else, I'm taking it to Lassie.
Omale, if you know the whereabouts of your daughter, tell her to come and see us. Very important. Obi, let's go.
Dikeh! Dikeh! Hi! Ogonje monu. Ha! Ezigbo mmadụ. Ijebezi gwaro. Hi!
Ukurutu! You're doing it the way I asked you. Thank you. Do it till the end, and I'll sacrifice the cow for you.
Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogeji si abulu okwo.
So, finally, this whole land belongs to me now. And who said life is not good? Obi, inwele ego. Obi, inwele ego. Obi, Obi, inwele ego nunu. Kaiba nekuzi. Onye nwela ani nwele ego. Ya kwa anako.
Mama, I brought you food. Thank you. smell death all around you.
Maybe I've been condemned to die.
Your husband's people came. They said you've committed an abomination. And they want you to come and confess before all of them.
Mother, please. Tell them to wait till my husband gets back. I cannot speak in his absence.
And when would your husband return? That is if he ever returns.
I am willing to wait, no matter how long it takes. Except, of course, death takes me before then.
Oh, baby.
Hey, Nana. How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you coming from looking this excited?
I didn't even notice I'm excited, am I?
You are very, very excited.
Well, it's God.
You don't even look like who has lost a brother.
My brother, death wants to put shame on my face. So I've decided to put death to shame by being happy. I just want this whole thing to pass so that I can bury my brother, Dikeh, and move on with my life.
That's a good one.
I've spoken to my children. They are getting all the burial arrangements in order.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
So let me run along. I need some rest.
Yes.
I'll see you.
Hope there is nothing else to this. So you want to bury your brother and get to move on with your life. Well, I know.
I have come alone so that you and I could talk with our heads calmed. Have you spoken to your daughter? Because my people are enraged. They want her to swear that she has nothing to do with Dikeh's death.
But you said the Dibia said she should confess.
There's no need for confession. She will now have to swear. And if she refuses to swear, she will be beaten naked in the marketplace.
Beaten naked in the marketplace.
We will not bury her husband until she swears. That is the tradition.
I have heard you.
But do you think that your daughter slept with another man?
I am not my daughter.
You see, this kind of a thing happened in the past. A married woman slept with another man and the husband died days after.
Obi, I am not my daughter. You want her to swear? She would swear.
All right. I'll be on my way.
Easy. I have come to talk to you as a mother. Is there anything you've done that Annie forbids that I should know?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Do you want to swear and die? Or would you rather tell me the truth so I would know how to protect you?
There's nothing else.
Did you use love charm or any kind of charm on your husband?
Charm? No, I did not. I have never touched any kind of charm in my entire life.
Can you swear before any oracle that you did nothing else to offend Annie?
I will not swear. I have not done anything to offend Annie.
Any woman that sleeps with a man that is not her husband has offended both Annie and her chief. I'm asking you, did you do anything wrong?
That is the only way I have offended Annie.
I don't think so. Do you want to swear and die?
I will not swear until my husband comes back.
Well, since you're not ready to tell me the truth, I would leave you. Do not expect me to stand by you when you need me. I take my leave.
My brother Obi, since you said your children in the city are making plans for Dikeh's burial, I think we should bury our brother so that his spirit can rest.
We cannot bury him until Chioma confesses. Then we punish her for her iniquities. Only after that, we will bury my brother.
My brother Obi, we don't need to make trouble with Chioma. Eh? Dikeh is dead and gone. Even if we punish Chioma, will Dikeh come back to life? He is dead and he is dead.
Obi, my brother, I think I support what Nana is saying. There is no point. Let us forget whatever she may have done and bury our brother in peace. Besides, Dikeh could have struck her dead if he so wanted.
Oh.
So,
we will not bury Dikeh until Chioma confesses. Both of you will not make me to change my mind. Remember, Dikeh is my brother.
He is as well as our brother.
Yes, he is our brother too.
Think about this, so.
Please, give it a second.
Chioma! Chioma! I brought you food. Mother.
I am so sorry for disappointing you. It wasn't what I set out to do. I was just desperate to give my husband a child.
You don't owe me any apology. I just feel hurt that you didn't listen to me. I, your mother, I knew you were not impotent. I told you to wait for the right time, but you wouldn't listen.
Please forgive me.
I've already forgiven you. I just pray that after your exile, Annie would forgive you.
What about my husband? Isn't he back yet?
Your husband is not back, and he's not coming back any soon.
I need to see him. I need to unburden my heart.
I will see you later.
Responsible for this pregnancy. I am sure you would be happy to hear the good news.
He's not responsible for this pregnancy. Now tell me, who is responsible?
The man I slept with did not put his seed inside of me. It was weeks after I slept with him that my husband put his seed inside of me.
Do you think I'm a child?
Mama, I saw my sacred wick. That's how come I know the seed is not his. The seed is my husband's seed.
I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't know.
Do you want me to get rid of the pregnancy?
You will not get me involved in your evil ways.
You don't believe me, so the only way out is to get rid of the baby.
I can see that your head is in the evil forest. Akohiri.
I need to see my husband. I need to see him to unburden my heart and then give him the good news.
It's already too late.
You told him about the good news and he said I shouldn't come back.
Your husband has gone to the land beyond.
I don't understand. The land beyond.
Chioma, you need to put yourself together. Your husband, Dikeh, is dead. Hey. G? Hey. Okay, CJ. They said he died on his way to Umuahia.
So I've been sleeping with a ghost, eating with a ghost. I can't believe it.
Well, his people say that you're responsible for his death. So they need you to come and swear in front of everyone that you don't have a hand in his death.
I will not swear. I will not swear. I didn't kill my husband. I will not swear.
You will swear. You must swear. If you do not swear, they will believe you're guilty.
I am guilty. Am I not guilty? I am guilty.
It's not your adultery that killed him. His chi knows what killed him. And the gods will do something when they're ready. You must swear.
What if I die? What if I die? So you knew all this while?
Chioma, I'm sorry. My husband asked me not to see you.
Do you think that is what killed Dikeh?
I don't know. I'm scared for you.
I don't think that's what killed Dikeh. I think something else killed him.
I don't know what to think. Honestly, I don't know what to think right now. Are you going to swear?
I am scared. I am scared.
Chioma, I'm so sorry this is happening. I'm sorry.
I'm scared.
Your daughter has done the worst.
What has she done this time?
Olisa was found dead in a farm. And the Dibia said that the owner of the farm knows what happened to him.
And the farm in question belongs to your daughter, Chioma.
If you're here to tell me that my daughter is going to swear to that, well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. She would not swear. Maybe the gods have killed Olisa for sleeping with another man's wife.
Oh, so you are aware that your daughter has been sleeping with Olisa all this while?
I will not answer that question. And have it in mind that my daughter would not swear over my dead body. Enough has been said.
We shall see.
We shall not see. Now do not get me angry, else I will spew my venom.
Okay, let the horse clash.
Allowed to lick the soup.
Do you speak in parables?
Olisa was the man you slept with, isn't it? It would have been bearable if you had slept with someone that wasn't your husband's best friend. This is disgusting.
I thought he could help me. He couldn't do anything. Finally.
Now you see where that help has brought us to.
I don't want to be guilty for the rest of my life.
Olisa's body was found in your farm.
What? My farm? He's dead too?
Why are you acting as if you do not know? Your hands are stained with blood. I don't know what to do anymore. I can't help you because I don't know where you're coming from.
Olisa is dead. But he was with my husband the day he returned.
His spirit was wandering as well.
I've been living with ghosts.
You're lucky they did not kill you.
I'm sorry.
You keep saying that. Let me ask you, did you pay some people to kill him or did you poison him yourself?
It was an accident.
I don't even know what to believe anymore. I don't even trust you.
Mother, if I sent someone to kill him or I poisoned him myself, he will not be in my farm. He won't be found dead in my farm.
If only you had listened to me. I warned you that God would give you a child, but you would not listen. Now see what you've put yourself into. It is disgusting. It is filthy.
This is the time I need you the most. I need you to help me, please.
I cannot help you. I don't want to be part of your nemesis. I take my leave.
Okay.
Don't put any other herb on it, apart from the herbs I'll give you.
Alright.
Don't allow water to touch it.
Okay.
Don't go swimming.
Okay.
Don't worry, it will heal.
Okay. Thank you, Ma. Well, thank you.
Mother, we need to talk.
It will heal.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Mother.
I have nothing to say to you.
It is time.
Yes. You don't have all the time in the world.
Now move it.
Move. Mama, you can come and see things for yourself if you want to.
Olu no mumbe. Wonya gba no so. Maka no pura ka se bulu nso na efe dijije mama atu mfe ne ko ise kari aka. Mmapa da egbu ahụ. Ife onye metara ya bulu. Take.
Can she say something?
What does she have to say?
Obi, you're not in charge.
Neither are you.
Say something.
I will confess. I cheated on my husband.
Oh!
But it was only once. I didn't do anything else that could cost him his life. I will take the oath. If I am responsible for the death of my husband, Dikeh, may Annie not spare my life. But if I am not responsible for my husband's death, may whoever die a painful and shameful death. Can I go now?
Yes, you can.
Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogeji isi abulu ogbogu na agbo ifo metalo ogeji.
I hope you give her the right portion for the oath.
Chingwa.
What is it?
Chingwa, we don't want to see you anywhere around this village until this whole thing is over.
Wait, Obi. Why not make it very clear? Chinwa, listen to me. From today onwards, you are banned from entering into our kindred. From today,
we forbid you from having anything to do with anyone in this kindred. And when you finally die from that oath, you will not be buried in this family.
Bam!
Yeah.
Malalu Ibu.
Malalu Ibu.
Bulie.
That's okay.
That's so you.
That's okay.
Why you bulu die?
And I'm white.
Bulie.
Bulie.
Bulu. Naba.
We go one name okay. In
The heart of man is so evil. The thoughts of man full of wickedness. Greed and selfishness has destroyed the world. Ami faneche, amonya leze. Onyo meko meneme. Ifo metalo ogeji isi abulu. Ogbogu na agbo. Ifo metalo ogeji.
We should have forced her to swear that she knows nothing about Olisa's death.
What if it was Dikeh's ghost that killed Olisa?
Dikeh cannot kill Olisa in Chinwa's farm. It's not possible.
Even at that, I still don't believe Chinwa killed him.
Okay, let's wait and see.
It's okay. See you later.
All right.
Greed and selfishness has destroyed the world. Ami faneche, amonya leze.
Afọ na mụ na nwoke a mawaga aka. Ọ mụ na ga amawaga aka. Nkuzi efu ọ bụ na ikaụnta ya. Elu na mụ na gị boy. Mana ị gafe nene mmọnwụ. Ya nene mmọnwụ. Ọ mụ abụ Obi.
What have you done?
Nothing.
You shed an innocent blood?
No.
I don't want to partake of it. Leave my house! Leave! Leave! Leave my house! Move! Leave my house! What are you doing in my compound? Have you come to infest it with your filthy legs? Leave my compound.
Can you hear me out?
I regret the day I gave birth to you. I don't want to be a part of what you do. Now leave before I curse you.
Hear me out.
I don't want to hear you out. I don't want to be part of what you're doing. In a few days, you have killed 3 people. I don't want to partake of it. Now get out.
Can you hear me out?
I cannot hear you out. Leave my compound. Leave. Leave my compound. Get out. Leave my compound. Keep going.
If I had known, I won't be like this now. If I had known, I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible.
And he knows that I am not part of what you do.
If I had known, if I had known, it's a long walk again. You put the goods on your home when you know some. It's a long walk again, you put your goods on your home when you know some. Makwara, Nabiani Bazo. Makwara, Nabiani Bazo, Makwara. Isolo mwaka ginjo ipuchiguzo imabu weginoso makwara nabiani bazo makwara nabiani bazo makwara nabiani bazo isolo things better but
Chinwa, go back into exile. That is what you need to do now. Go back to the next place and stay there until the exile is over.
Nana. Obi. You let me go. Obi, my love. Please come and join me.
Thank you very much. I enjoy, you know. Yes, I actually came to find out whether you have had anything from Omale and my daughter.
No. But I believe Chima must be dead by now. Yes.
Don't you think we need to go there and see things for ourselves?
We cannot just go there to see if she's dead.
But you know, it's been 3 days she took that oath. And the oath kills the guilty in 2 days.
Nana, if she dies, we will know. Why are you worried? Why are you so concerned?
I am worried though, honestly, because you know, false accusations have consequences. And to get somebody to swear on false accusations definitely has repercussions.
We didn't accuse her wrongly. We only asked her to swear if she knows nothing about our brother's death.
That is what I'm saying.
Then what else are you supposed not to be saying? You're prying too much into this thing. Nana, please, can I eat and enjoy my food? Thank you.
I really don't mean, well, just know that I'm worried. Don't say I didn't say this so. Well, let me be going. Enjoy your food. Good night, Mr. Warren. Let me go.
Why is this man so concerned? Man, be even about the Buria Nonisi, Nariaka chaplet, Buriaka medal. Nana, never feel okay. Nana never feel okay.
I want you to know that no matter what happens to me, I love you very much.
Where did you get this kind of heart from? How can you be so wicked? How could you abort an innocent child?
I did not abort the baby. I did not.
Why?
I am not lying to you, mother. I swear by Annie, I did not abort the baby. I don't know why I'm bleeding. I don't. Move closer.
Gods of our land. When a nail is caught, it grows back. But when a finger is cut off, it never grows back. If my only child dies, that means I have not been loyal. Which enemy is against all this?
Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ogbogu na agbo ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ofo mbosi ndaya ga yugo omo mbalere ya dansa ifo nye metalo bulu. The heart of man.
My daughter is bleeding.
Why won't she bleed?
She is not guilty. She did not kill her husband.
Why then is she bleeding?
The bleeding is man-made. If it were from the gods, my daughter would be dead by now.
Omali, I do not want to have anything to do with you, nor your daughter. There are lots of forces around her.
Find out who is behind it.
Omali.
And what will my daughter do then?
I said leave!
My daughter will not die. But if she dies, she will not die alone.
The heart of man is so evil, the thoughts of man full of wickedness.
Gods of our land, this is the time to speak to me. If you don't, my daughter will be ruined.
Chinwa, wherever you are, let misfortune locate you.
Obi, come out here now.
Why are you shouting my name like that?
You have touched the tail of the tigress.
And who is the tigress? You?
You have crossed the line of no return.
Is it what I'm thinking? Nemesis has visited your daughter.
What have you done to my daughter?
I have always known that she is not innocent.
Swear. Swear you have nothing to do with my daughter's predicament.
Now get out of my compound before I descend on you. Get out! Rubbish woman.
You dare walk out on me? You dare walk out on me? I will sit here and wait for you. You will come back to meet me here.
Yeah? One year. Ikadeba, you're still here. Okay, wait for me. You cannot put your finger in a dog's mouth and don't expect a bite. I will go to the bush and come back. If you're still here, consider yourself a dead person.
The battle has just started.
Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ogbogu na agbo ifo botalo ogeji si abulu ofo mbosi njoya ga bia yugo omo mbalere ya nanso ifo nye metalo
If you're a good date, win anyone that conspires to win another person. What? If you're a bad date, cause your honor to bite his tongue terribly. In these ashes, destroy your body. Ndiai kaka na bala anyị mba ndiai kaka na bala anyị mba ndiai kaka kwa na eketibukwa onwe ya You're the cause of this calamity. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my daughter. If you're stubborn, watch and see what I will do to you.
Selfishness has destroyed the world. Amonya leze onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ofumbasi ndaya ga yubo omammalare ya nasa ifo nye metalo bulu. The heart of man.
You will not bleed again. You will go on exile for 7 months. On the 8th month, you shall come back. Go and take your bath.
Amonya leze onyo meko meneme ifo meta metalo ogeji isi ya bulu ogwo na agwo ifo botalo ogeji isi ya bulu ofo mbosi njaya ga-abịa ya ụgwọ ọmọ mgbalari ya n'ọsọ ifo onye metalo bulu.
Obi. I can see you are enjoying yourself.
No.
Why?
Go and get your cup.
This thing.
No. You're not a stranger in this house. Go and get your own cup.
Don't worry. I can see that you're very happy this evening. Taking good care of yourself. Leave the power wife for today. Please, any news yet?
No. Have you heard that? Chioma is decaying in her maternal home. Yes.
Are you serious? So. That means she's guilty.
But I told you she was guilty.
Hey! Wonders shall never cease to happen. No. So Chioma has a hand in the death of her husband. Hey! Anyway, she will die very painfully.
Yes.
Hey!
Now, Dikeh, I'm left with no one to share 5 acres of land with.
Obi, what are you saying?
Dikeh wanted us to share 5 acres of land left for us by our grandfather before he died. Now the land belongs to me.
Let me understand something. Are you happy that Dikeh died and left the land for you?
No. I was not happy at first. But on second thought, I asked myself, Obi, why should you be unhappy? Huh? First of all, my Ukuntu made him impotent. And now this.
Oh. Obi, so you have been fooling me all along? Hey!
Let me ask you, Nana, what would you do if your brother wants to share a piece of land given to you by your grandfather when you have 5 sons? Tell me, what would you do?
Obi Melu, we are not talking about a piece of land. We are talking about 5 acres of land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 acres of land, Obi Melu.
Does it matter? What difference does it make?
Now I know why you want Chioma dead. And I can swear that you have a hand in Dikeh's death too.
Whether I have a hand in his death or not, it doesn't matter. After all, he's dead and gone. The land belongs to me now.
Hi. Obi Dinkeleka. Man again, the only way people will not hear this is when you give me a plot of land. Yes.
You lied. Nana, you are a thief.
I'm a thief.
I will not give you 1 plot of land. Never.
Never. Okay. Listen now, let me tell you. Get ready for the sound of the trumpet. Because everybody must hear the truth.
What truth?
I will answer you.
What truth?
I will answer you this question when the kinsmen call us. Ajomado. Bad man. Hi!
Come on, go away from here.
Ajomado. Hey! You're a very wicked man. Nonsense.
It's so evil, the thoughts of man.
Nana. Didn't you see me? Didn't you see me too? Or I should bow down for you?
Are we fighting?
Obi Melo.
It's my name.
After all you said in your house yesterday, I began to doubt my closeness with you. Honestly.
What did I say?
So you can't remember what you said?
Nana, you know, yesterday I was so excited. At the point I got drunk. I must have said a lot of things.
Obi, man, you didn't say a lot of things. You said the truth. Yes!
I said the truth. But I was drunk.
Drunk? Yes, you were drunk. But you were drunk with the truth. I didn't know all this while that I was dealing with a chameleon. So you wanted your brother Dikeh and his wife dead because you want to take the plots of land that your grandfather left for you. Obi Melo.
Did I say that? Hey! Nana, please let no other ear hear this. I was just drunk.
Drunk my foot, Obi. Drunk my foot. Let me advise you. Just go and get ready. You are the next to swear. I think I have better things to do.
Nana, come. Come back, let's talk things over now.
Talk what over? Please, I have better things to do. Thank you.
He said he was drunk. And you know how he talks sometimes, most especially when he's drunk. Please let us forget this and forge ahead like the good brothers and friends that we've always been. Please.
Honestly, I have never been comfortable since that day.
Is this why you called me?
Yes.
Okay. I've heard you. Thank you.
Nana. Don't worry. I know what to do. Yes.
I don't want to swear before the shrine.
Oh, you will not do a thing like that. You will not swear if you give us one plot of land each. Yes. You will not need to swear.
Even you, Chukwuka.
What do you mean, even you? Oh, don't you want to give me a plot of land too?
So these are your plans? Both of you want to blackmail me?
Obi, that is a deal. Take it or you leave it.
Okay. First of all, I want you to call Nana back. Let's make peace.
I will do that. Good. As long as you're ready to give us a plot of land each. Yes.
Okay.
Stupid man. You think we're fools?
Chukwuka, honestly, if I had a phone knowledge that this was why you called me, I wouldn't have been there.
Nana, can we call everything that bites at night mosquito?
Can you hear yourself? We are talking about human life here. We are talking about death. Can you tell Obi to swear that he knows nothing about Dikeh's death?
Hey, how can I say a thing like that? He said those things under the influence of alcohol. That he was drunk.
Those are stories for the gods.
Well, meanwhile, he has promised to give us one plot of land each. That is, if we are ready to lie this matter low. Let it die a natural death.
He said so?
Yes, he did.
One plot of land?
Oh, he told me in confidence. And I think that makes a lot of sense. Most especially from the fact that you and I don't have enough land. Yes.
No, Chukwuka, no. I don't want his plot of land anymore. He must swear.
Nana, at least you can make peace with him.
You have always known me to be a peace-loving person. Okay, I will.
Okay.
But he must swear.
Nana, this is very much unlike you. See, let us get the plots of land first. We can still take him to the kinsmen. Yes, we can. What is stopping us?
Yes.
I think there is a sense in what you just said.
That is what I've been trying to make you understand since. You see?
We'll get a plot of land.
Yes.
And still make him swear.
Exactly. We'll take it there.
Chukwuka, you have something in this.
Oh, that is what I've been telling you.
Well done. It's
Thank
okay.
you.
It's okay if that is it. It's okay
Yes,
by
yes,
me.
that is what we'll do.
Yes.
Nana, I am happy you have accepted to make this with me.
Well, you have always known me to be a very peace-loving man.
Oh, that is very true. Let us drink to that.
Yes.
Yes.
Just excuse me, let me ease myself.
Okay.
Oh, people must be enjoying the palm wine.
You're back.
Yes.
Welcome.
I am back.
Hey. Obi?
Yes.
This palm wine is very strong.
This is fresh from the palm tree, as the palm wine tapa is about to come down and wrap it. No water added, no additives, not one of those adulterated, you know?
I thought as much.
That is why the potencies, you can feel it.
Yes. Yes.
Nana,
Yeah.
are you enjoying it?
Yes, I am. Yes.
The foods that can put oil on the lips of a child during Harmattan can also put pepper in his eyes. Chukwuka, I plead with you. Complete this work.
Obi, so when do we come so that you give us our own plot of land?
Which plot of land?
The ones you promised us, of course.
I think we are drunk now. Everybody's talking from the side of their mouth. Listen, whatever we have to discuss, let's reserve it for later.
Okay, so when exactly?
I am not running away. Neither is he or you running away. I will call you maybe tomorrow or next week sometime. Okay?
It's okay if you say so. Nana. Let's go.
Go where?
To our houses, of course.
Where is home?
I knew this palm wine would knock you off. Let us start going so that you can unleash it on your wine.
Please, lot of land.
That is what we are saying.
Let's
go. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Let's go.
Hey!
I knew it. Let's go.
Easy, easy. Yes. Take it easy.
Okay.
Obi?
We are going now. I hope you're right.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go.
Useless man. Very useless man. Ndi ala. Nemeka mama hagabu mad. Then I will go plot of land. Let me see where you stay and share that plot of land. It has to be in your graves. In your graves. Omo Abobi.
Adebu and Ebu. Yeah. Adebu and Ebu.
Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogejisi ya bulu ogbogu na agbo ifo gotalo ogejisi ya bulu.
No, my brother, I will leave you here. Thank you. I hope you can go home from here.
Oh yes, you have tried. Thank you very much. Okay. That one was sweet though.
Yes, yes, it was.
Okay, let me be going. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much. What is this? Hey. Hey! What is going on? Let this not be what I'm thinking, no.
Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogejisi ya bulu ogwogu na agbo ifo gotalo ogejisi ya bulu ofo mbosi njaya ga-abịa ya ugbo ọma mgbalari ya n'ọsọ ifo nye metalo bulu. The heart of man is so evil. The thoughts of man full of wickedness. Greed and selfishness has destroyed the world. Amifaneche, amonyaneze. Onyo meko meneme, ifo metalo ogejisi ya bulu.
Obi Melo. So this is your plan. You are failed. You are failed. My laugh always comes last. Obi Melo, so you think you can kill me? No, I am coming for you. Yes. Obi Melo! Obi Melo! You think? Obi Melo! You think you can kill me? No, you have failed. I am coming for you. Obi Melo! Hey! You want to kill me now? You have failed! Obi! Obi Melo! Come out here! Obi! So this is your plan?
Why are you shouting like a madman?
What have you done?
Obi, what is wrong with you?
Obi, what have you done?
What are you talking about?
Why did you poison the palm wine?
How could I have poisoned the same palm wine that I drank with you?
Oh, you think I don't know that you have the antidote? Obi, you have failed. And listen, let me tell you. For trying to bite the finger that feeds you, you wait for war. I am coming for you. You!
Look at that fool. You have not even survived this one. Let us wait and see. So this man survived if I'm Maria. Oh, I'm going to Kalaka. Kalikuomua. Ah, Obi.
You thought I was dead. You thought I was dead, eh? I am alive. Very much alive. You see this child? It is Dikeh's child. I am going to have this child. And after I am done having this baby, I will come back for you. I will pay you back in your own coin. It's Zindalolo man.
Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ogwogo na
Bukurutu! 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 Ekukweng na ahụọm ihe. Batakwa na ahụọm ihe ukurutu.
My eyes have seen my ears. Chinwa is still alive.
Hey!
Mama, you're here.
Yes, welcome. I am back. It is over. The exile is over.
Oh! It's good to have you back. Nemo.
I'm very hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
I'll prepare something for you to eat. Hi.
Hey! Hello! No! Hey! Hey! Please! Hey! I will confess. I will confess. I will confess. Omali, please tell your daughter to forgive me. I am behind all this.
I have always known you were behind Dikeh's death. If you want to confess, go to the shrine.
Hey! Hey!
Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ogwogo na agwo ifo metalo ogeji si abulu
Ajana Sukwai. Wicked man.
I was on my way to your shrine.
I want to confess.
Obi, why do you think you can fool the gods?
Please, help me. I don't want to die.
Go. Call Olu. The brothers are one of your sons. Then you can confess.
Nangoli ejumobi kalechaba. My daughter is finally back. Ojumobi kalechaba. Nangoli ejumobi kalechaba. Kalechaba. Ojumobi. Hey, Mama! Ojumobi Kalejaba.
Mama!
Chimo. Oh, ne. Mother! Mother!
What is it?
The baby. Oh.
The baby? I can feel the head. Open wide. Open wide. Push! 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 Oh, it's coming.
Hey! Please, spare my life, please, spare my life. I will change my life. I will be a good man. Please, I will give your wife, your own portion of land. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Kill me.
I want to confess. I was the one that killed my brother Dikeh. I caused his accident with a very powerful charm.
Papa, how could you? How could you do such a thing after everything Uncle Dikeh did for us?
I also killed Nana.
I can't believe this is my father. Oh.
Where was I when all these were happening?
My people, please forgive me. I will change my life.
You know the consequences of what you have done. You will be banished from this village for life.
Oh yes. Please, I don't want to be banished.
Obi, you are banished already. Please, take him out of this place. Banishment is your portion.
You heard it.
Obi, you have to give us the list of places where the land left by your father are located.
We have 2 acres of land at Isimmiri, 1 acre at Eba, and another 2 acres of land at Uzolo. Those are the lands.
The 5 acres of land will be shared equally between you and your brother's son. So that you, as the first son, will choose first.
I will do it. I will do it today. I will do it tomorrow. I will do it anytime.
You will choose first. And Chioma will choose for her son.
Oh no. Please. I'm just a woman and I shouldn't be involved in the land sharing. I just want my son to get whatever is due his father. That's all.
You have spoken well. Will be the first son who will choose first.
I will take the 2 acres of land at Isimmiri, plus the 1 acre at Eba. The rest can be bequeathed to my brother's son.
Chioma, you heard him?
Yes, sir.
Chioma, you heard your father?
Yes,
it is settled. Obi, for you, we'll come for you tomorrow morning.
Forgive me. Please, forgive me.
Papa, how did you end up like this?
Please, son, forgive me.
Forgive you. It is only God you can ask forgiveness. This is still unbelievable.
Obi, what are you still putting inside there? We are waiting for you.
You are banished from this land. You don't have anything to do with this village in your life.
Leave this place. Get going. You have no business in life. You're not throughout your life. You have no business in this land again.
Thoughts of a man full of wickedness, greed and selfishness has destroyed the world. Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ogbogu na agbo ifo botalo ogeji si abulu ofo mbosi ndaya gada yugo omo mbalari anasa ifo nye metalo bulu.
Now you may go. You have been told never to come back to this village except you want the youths to stone you to death. You are a disgrace. Go.
The heart of man is so evil. The thoughts of ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ogbogu na agbo ifo botalo ogeji si abulu ofo mbosi njaya gabia yugo.
Chioma, I'm happy for you. How is the baby?
He's fine. Obunaya is sleeping. Obunaya. What a name.
Chioma, I've not been comfortable. I know you have not forgiven me for misleading you. I've not been myself. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Biko.
Ijigo, you did not mislead me. I did what I did because I was desperate to have a child for my husband. I should have listened to my mother. But all is well. Everything is fine now.
I am deeply sorry. Please.
You don't need to be. Okay?
Are you saying that you have forgiven me?
There is nothing to forgive. Everything is alright. I just wish young women will learn from my story. That's my prayer.
Thank you.
Everything is fine. Oh?
Thank you. Hi. So what do I offer you? Am I a visitor? I'm not a visitor.
Hello. Chihuahua. Hey. Chihuahua. No. Hey. Hey, how are you? I'm fine. And how is Obunna is at the back studying with his sleep.
Chai, what were you doing at the backyard?
Writing.
Writing. Oh yeah, Dikeh.
He behaves so much like his father. In school, they call me sometimes and ask me if he's just a reincarnation or what, because he asks so many intelligent questions that sometimes confuses them.
Look at you, intelligent boy. Eh? You look so much like your father, a replica. I knew Dikeh would come back. Now, go to the back and finish what you're doing.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey! Hey! Close the app. They're not going to go for It's okay. It's okay.
Let me get something for you.
Papa just came to see you. You know how you do.
Isolo mwaka ginjo ibuchigo